Hi folks, we're at Cadbury's World today, so what we're going to do is first we're having a little walk around because we're doing an adventure lab, and then we're going to walk into Cadbury's World and show you around there. I hope you enjoy it, folks. As we're walking around the back of Cadbury's World, look how big it is. Massive place. Oh, this is the South Cocoa Block. So this is the South Cocoa Block that we're walking through, folks. Oh, you can smell chocolate. Oh, you can smell it through windows. You can actually smell the chocolate, folks. There's the processing area. I hope that water's not going into our chocolate. The Bourne Brook. The Bourne Brook comes the name Bournville. Ville being added at a time when it was fashionable to consider all confectionery to be French. It is referred to as the Bourne Brook trout stream. So that is where the name Bournville comes from. It comes from the Bourne Brook. Alright, so now we're around at the Pavilion. So yeah, this is the Pavilion, and there's the Pavilion building. There's loads of people coming. Looks like they're gearing up for a game of football. And this round here is one of the staff entrances to the factory. You can just see how big the factory is. It's a massive factory. Try and take a photo of it, because this is obviously the sort of thing you don't see from the other side.
End of the church.
So this building here is St Francis Church, which is right next to Cadbury's World. That's an interesting looking building over there at Bell's. Bournville Village. Primary school, Bournville Village Primary School, and then that building there with the bells. Look at the bells. It's got lots of bells. So this is the Quaker House, which was built in 1905. And if we go around the side here, there's a bust of George Cadbury. Beneath this stone is the ashes of the founders of the village, George Cadbury and his wife Elizabeth Mary, who died in 1951. Well, this is the ashes of George Cadbury here.
Yeah.
Oh wow. Wow. Didn't expect that.
No.
For it to be the ashes of George Cadbury. This is the Bournville Rest House. It was built to celebrate the silver wedding anniversary of George and Elizabeth Cadbury, and was paid for by the employees of Cadbury's Brothers Limited. And this building is right next to the church. Is it church or chapel? Where George Cadbury's ashes are laid to rest. So this is the Bournville Day College, which is obviously in the same area, close to the factory. Factory's just over there. The resting place is there, and then where Cadbury's ashes are, it's just over there. And Cadbury's dental practice. And this building is Selly Manor. Join us in part 2 when we visit Cadbury's World. We do some tasting. We watch the staff making some chocolate. And we write our names in chocolate. Overall, we have a great experience. So join us in part 2. Thank you very much to the Platinum members, Raymondo Maras and TSG. And don't forget, folks, to check out the playlist. Thank you and goodbye.